In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a delete query in Microsoft Access. A delete query removes entire records from a table based on conditions you specify. Think of it as telling Access, find the rows that meet these rules and remove those rows completely. It does not clear individual fields. Once it runs, the whole record is gone. Because of that, use it carefully and always double-check your criteria before you execute it. Start by opening Query Design. On the ribbon, go to the Create tab and choose Query Design. This opens a new query window where you'll choose the data you want to work with. Next, add the table that contains the records you want to delete. In the Show Table dialog, select your table, click Add, and then Close. If your database has relationships, remember that Access will only delete from the table you specify in the query. If you have cascade delete rules in place, related records might also be affected, so be mindful of that. Now add the fields you want to use for targeting. Double-click the fields that will help you identify the records to remove. You can add the asterisk to include all fields so they show in preview, but keep in mind, the deletion itself is determined by your criteria, not by which fields you display. Convert the query to a delete query by clicking Delete on the ribbon under Query Type. You'll notice a new delete row appears in the design grid, and the familiar criteria row is visible beneath each field. Set your criteria carefully. For example, to remove inactive users, you might enter status equal inactive. To remove underage entries, you might use age 18. In Access, text values go in double quotes. Numbers do not use quotes, and dates use the pound sign, like number 1/1/2024 Bassars. Criteria in the same row act together as AND conditions. Placing conditions in separate rows creates OR logic. This precision is crucial. If you leave criteria blank, all records in the table will be selected for deletion. Before running anything, preview the results. Switch to Datasheet view to see exactly which records match your criteria. This step is your safety net. Confirm the list looks right and the record count matches your expectations. Since deletions cannot be undone, it's wise to verify now and consider testing on a copy of your database. When you're confident, run the query by clicking Run. Access will prompt you to confirm the deletion and display how many records will be removed. Approve the confirmation, and the selected records are permanently deleted. That's it. Clean, reliable deletions using precise criteria and a quick preview to stay safe.